is he staring straight at me? And I think to myself, he looks lonely. I thought about taking him with me, but then he wouldn't be with his family. Oh no. I see, I only see one tree where a forest used to be. Oh, where are all those other trees? It doesn't make much sense to me. How could nobody see that this just cannot be? What else is gonna give us air to breathe? Stop the landslide, shelter me, give us food and other things we need. People, people, can't you see that this world was made for you and me?
Created using Powtoon.